Windows 11 has network discovery turned off by default, just like it did in previous versions of Windows. So here's how we can turn it on. If we click on File Explorer in the Start menu and click on Network, and we get this message that network discovery is turned off. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And now we have the option to turn it on here. So I'm going to click here and click on Turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. And I'll say yes, turn it on. Now, this doesn't always fix it. However, it does fix it the majority of the time. And as you see here, it fixed it, which is great. But sometimes you need to go into Services. And under the search bar, I'll go ahead and type in Services and choose to open the Services app. And this looks very similar to services in previous versions of Windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for several services to make sure that they're set to automatic and that they're set to start. And once we're in services, we're going to look for several services to turn on. First one we're going to look for is SSDP Discovery. So we'll go to SSDP Discovery, make sure that it's running. You can also go in and change that from manual to automatic, and that will help next time you restart. After that, we're going to look for Function Discovery, which we see here, and that's also running. And once again, I'm going to make sure that's set to automatic. And the last one we're going to look for is UPnP. So we'll just press U, and we'll go to UPnP Device Host, change that to automatic. And this one actually hasn't started yet, so I'll go ahead and start it. Now, in Windows 10, there was another service called Network Discovery, and that service does not appear to be here anymore. So at this time, I have no reason to believe that we need that additional service in order to get this to work. So that is how we fix our network discovery in Windows 11.